Oil prices were little changed on Wednesday as investors assess trade developments between the European Union and the US after President Donald Trump reached a tariff deal. Brent crude futures settled 8 cents or 0.12% lower at $68.51 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were down 6 cents or 0.09% at $65.25 per barrel. Both benchmarks lost about 1% on Tuesday after the EU said it was considering a countermeasure against US tariff. On the supply side, US Energy Information Administration data showed US crude inventories fell last week by 3.2 million barrels to 419 million barrels, compared with analyst expectations in a Reuters poll for 1.6 million barrel draw. U.S. crude exports were up by 337,000 barrels per day to 3.86 million barrels per day, while net U.S. crude imports fell last week by 740,000 barrels per day, the EIA said. In another bullish sign for the crude market, the U.S. Energy Secretary said on Tuesday that that U.S. would consider sanctioning Russian oil to end the war in Ukraine. The EU on Friday agreed its 18th sanction package against Russia, lowering the price cap for Russian crude.